Let's discuss now the development length of the deformed bars and wires in compression. So meaning, yung mga members natin that are under compression. For example, yung columns. So solve natin yung development length nila under NSCP 2015, section 425.4.9. So ito yung laman ng ating NSCP 2015 section 425.4.9. So 0.4.9.1, sabi dito, development length LDC for deformed bars and deformed wires in compression shall be greater of, so letter A, length calculated in accordance with section 425.4.9.2. Then, letter B is 200. So, yung sa letter A, ito siya, yung 425.4.9.2, ang sabi, so ito yung sa letter A, yung 425.4.9.2, ang sabi, LDC shall be greater of A and B. So, meron tayong dalawang formula below. And it should be multiplied by the modification factors of section 425.4.9.3. So, ito muna yung ating pag-compute ng development length. So, letter A, that is 0.24 Fy psi r over lambda square root of Fc prime times dV. Then, letter B, that is 0.043 Fy psi r and then dV. Then, ayon sa section 425.4.9.3, for the calculation of LDZ, modification factors shall be in accordance with table 425.4.9.3, except yung ating psi r shall be permitted to be taken as 1.0. So ito yung mga modification factor natin according to the table 425.4.9.3. So kapag ka lambda ang hinahanap natin, pagka lambda ang hinahanap natin, so kapag ka lightweight concrete natin, ginagamit natin ay 0.75. But if yung concrete natin is lightweight and yung kanyang FCT is specified, so titingin tayo sa section 419.2.4.3. Then, for normal weight concrete, kapag ka normal weight, alam naman natin, no? Pagka sinabing normal weight concrete, yung gamma ng concrete natin ay 23.5 kilonewton per cubic meter. Or sometimes, no, ginagamit nila ay 24 for the design ng ating structures. So, 1.0. Then, para naman sa PSI-R, that is for the confining reinforcement, ito yung basis niyan. So, actually, there are two criteria lang naman. Is either 0.75 or 1.0. So, maraming cases for 0.75. So, ito yung mga cases kung saan pwede natin gamitin na value ng PSI-R is 0.75. Number one, kapag spiral column. Very simple. Number two, circular column, pero continuously wound tie ang gamit. So, ties na hindi siya spiral with the diameter of the tie is 6 mm in, and with a pitch of less than or equal to 100 mm. Then, number three, 6 mm diameter bar or MD130 wire ties in accordance with section 425.7.2 space less than or equal to 100 mm on center. So again, ito ay wire ties ang gamit instead of, or pwede rin naman 6 mm diameter bar yung gamit no, as a confining reinforcement. But take note, no, dapat in accordance with section 425.7.2 tsaka space less than or equal to 100 mm on center. Again, no, ang dami namang cases na pasok dyan sa 0.75. And lastly, yung hoops naman, in accordance with section 425.7.4, space less than or equal to 100 mm on center. And in other cases, 1.0 na yung gagamitin natin. So let's try to solve yung ating development length. So let's have an example problem. So here's the problem. Determine the development length of 28 mm diameter compression bar of spiral column having Fy that is 415 megapascal embedded in concrete with Fc prime that is 24 megapascal. Assume normal weight concrete and use NSCP 2015 code for compression bars as shown below. So again, ito yung ating section 425.4.9 for the development length for compression bars. So sabi natin, doon sa point 1, sabi length calculated by section 425.4.9.2. So therefore, ito yung gagamitin nating formula, yung dalawa. So we need to check also kung ano yung mag-govern dyan. So, pagbitin muna natin yung unang formula natin, that is 0.24 Fy psi r, and then divided by lambda square root of Fc prime, then multiply by dB. Okay, but we don't have the value of your psi r. So, paano nga natin makukuha yung psi r? So, dito yan, no, sa section 425.4.9.3. So, puntahan natin yung table. Ito yung ating table for psi r. Ito, no? Psi r. Sabi natin yung column ay spiral. So, very simple, no? Number 1, spiral column. So, automatically, yung value ng ating psi r is 0.75. So, meron na kagad tayo. No? So, psi r that is equivalent to 0.75. Next, how about yung lambda natin? Yung lambda based from the weight of your concrete. Sabi normal weight concrete, diba? So, yung gagamitin natin ay 1.0. Lagyan natin ay 1.0. So, we have now the necessary values. So, lagay na lang natin yung iba pang mga values. Yung Fy daw natin ay 415 megapascal. Fc prime is equivalent sa, check natin. Yung Fc prime is 24 megapascal. And the diameter ng bar is 28 mm. So, substitute natin. So, we have 0.24 times Fy times psi r, that is 0.75, divided by lambda, that's 1.0, then square root of Fc prime na 24, then times yung diameter ng bar natin. So, yung value dito ay this is equivalent sa 426.946 mm. The next, for letter B, ng section 425.4.9.2, that is 0.043 Fy psi r dB. Substitute lang, 0.043 times 415 times psi r, that is 0.75, and then dB natin ay only 8. So, therefore, ito ay 374.745 mm. Ang sabi, yung greater sa dalawa. So, ang mag-govern dyan ay ito. So, hindi na to. But, babalik tayo sa section 425.4.9.1. So, yung development length daw, yung LDC daw, ay shall be greater of, yung sa letter A, so that is equivalent sa 426.946 mm. And then letter B ay 200 mm. Again, yung greater pa rin. So, yung gagamitin natin ay itong value. So, yung 426.946 mm ang LDC natin. So, that's it, no? Ganyan lang natin kumpitin yung ating development plan. Pero syempre, if we try to apply it in the practice, so syempre hindi natin ibibigay na yung development length ay 426.1046. So we need to round it off. So syempre pag na-round off tayo sa development length, mas maganda, mas mahaba. Kasi that is the required length, di ba? So syempre pag pinaikli mo, mababawasan yung requirement. Kailangan mas mahaba. So let's say, let's round it off to the nearest 10 mm. So therefore, LDC natin na gagamitin ay 430 mm. So that is now the final